Do you want to reset page file or virtual memory in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Virtual memory or page file is a type of memory that allows Windows to use part of the storage space, a RAM, to improve the overall performance or when there is a need for extra memory. While Windows configures it automatically, you can always reset it. In this video, we will show you on what this memory is and how to reset virtual memory or page file in Windows. Let's get started. What is virtual memory or page file? According to Microsoft, a paging file is an area on the hard disk that Windows uses as if it were RAM. When there is a shortage of RAM or if Windows finds it better to store it in virtual memory, it is used. It is useful when running an older PC that doesn't have enough RAM or can use a bit more when required. Since it uses storage, the performance will depend on the storage quality. If you are using an SSD, it will be faster than the HDD. Also, the overall usage of the storage will be more, which can further impact the life of the HDD or SSD. Method 1. Manually reset page file size via System Properties. Every time you change the size of the virtual memory or page file, it resets and starts using it from the beginning. Open Windows Settings using Win+I. Navigate to System, then select About. Under Device Info, click on the Advanced System Settings link. It will open the System Properties. Switch to the Advanced tab and then click on the Settings button under the Performance section. In the Performance options, switch to the Advanced tab. Locate the Virtual Memory section and click on the Change button. Uncheck the Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives option and it will enable custom size, the system managed size and other options. Here is all you can do next. Set custom size, disable the no paging file option, enable system managed size. Once you change, it will reset the virtual memory or page file. Method 2. Group Policy Editor. If you are using Windows Professional or Server, you can use Group Policy to make the changes. Open Run Prompt using Win+R. Type gpedit.msc and press the Enter key to launch the Group Policy Editor. Navigate to this folder. Local Computer Policy, then Computer Configuration, then Windows Settings, then Security Settings, then Local Policies, then Security Option. Find Policy. Shutdown. Clear Virtual Memory Page File. Double-click to open the policy configuration. Select the Enabled Radio button and apply the changes. Once done, the virtual memory page file is cleared every time you shut down the Windows PC. The most significant advantage of using this policy is that no one else can access them by connecting the storage to another PC. When in use, Windows protects the page file, but it is not the same case when it is connected to another PC. Method 3. Registry Editor. The registry method is for Windows Home users who don't have access to the group policy. While it is easy to use, it is also risky. Ensure to create a system restore point, which will be handy if you accidentally delete something in the registry, resulting in a non-bootable system. Open Run Prompt using Win+R. Type regedit, click on OK. In the registry editor, navigate to the following path. Look at dword, clear page file at shutdown and double-click to edit it. Set the value as 1. It will ensure to clear the page file during the shutdown. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.